I just got this Lamborghini remote control car at no charge for the purpose of this review. And here's the car, and here's the remote, and between both of them you need 5 AA batteries. 3 goes into the car right here, and then 2 of them go in the remote right here. And then to power it on, there's a little red button. You just push that over and turns it on. It is an authentic Lamborghini style with the Lamborghini emblem right there, you can see. Okay, so this is the actual Lamborghini and the Lamborghini bull and shield right here. So it's authentic. So that's pretty neat. I'm really not into doing a lot of these remote control cars, and so this is probably the only Lamborghini we're going to see in our lifetime. So we're probably going to put it on display because it does look really neat. When you push forward, the lights in the front go on. When you push backwards, the lights on the back will come on.
Okay, that's better. Now
And
turn
then in the front, they come on when it's... Okay, so like I said, going forward, you can see the lights, and going back, they turn on. Now let's see. So it's a fun little car. It goes pretty fast. I'm not a road driver, as you can see. So if you're looking for a nice, real life looking authentic Lamborghini with remote control, this is for you. Or if you're just looking for a really neat display, which again, it has the authentic Lamborghini emblem on there, this would be really nice on a display table.